Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. This week we're sharing our ideas for decorating New Zealand lodge-style interiors. Due to New Zealand's diverse landscape, climate and cultural influences, it has led to a wide range of house styles throughout the country. However, in today's video, we'll be specifically focusing on decorating contemporary New Zealand lodge and cabin-style homes. New Zealand lodge style embraces the natural beauty and rustic charm of the surrounding landscape and combines the character of traditional lodges with modern design elements. Colour palette. This style features an earthy colour palette of chalky whites, deep browns, ash black, warm greys, rust tones and earthy greens of olive, eucalyptus, khaki, garden sage and moss. These are complemented by metallic accents of warm bronze, brass, copper and wrought iron. Architectural features. Architecturally, New Zealand-style lodge homes feature exposed wooden beams, large stone fireplaces and open floor plans. While the pitched roof form is the most common, you'll also find shed style or flat roofs. Structures range from a simple box form to extruded or landscape formations designed to reflect the individual nuances of the location, such as the mountain ranges or the contours of the hillside. Other architectural features include light pine or natural timber-clad walls, corrugated iron or onduline frames or roofs, rough plaster or concrete walls, and rugged schist stacked dry stone walls. Lastly, New Zealand lodge-style homes take advantage of the picturesque surroundings, designing inviting outdoor spaces that may include a fire pit, entertaining area, and possibly a lap pool. Flooring. In addition to your own style preferences, New Zealand lodge-style flooring accounts for the location, climate and maintenance requirements of the home. Some popular ideas include hardwood flooring made from native New Zealand timbers such as raimu, kauri or totara. Polished concrete floors, and natural stone flooring such as slate, limestone or travertine. For style and warmth underfoot, lay in natural fibre rugs made from wool, jute, sisal or seagrass. Alternatively, kilims, berger or Moroccan-style rugs in earthy hues and traditional patterns will add colour and pattern. Lastly, a large animal hide rug such as a sheepskin or cowhide will add to the rustic feel. Lighting. Ambient lighting includes chandeliers made from wrought iron, wood or glass, as well as oversized pendants crafted from metal or woven fibres. Low-level table and floor lamps are crafted from materials like wood, wrought iron, ceramic, copper or bronze and feature fabric shades. Window treatments. Maximise the flow of natural light by having large windows or glass doors that also allow the beauty of the surrounding nature to filter into the home. For privacy, consider window treatments such as sheer curtains or blinds that can be easily drawn. or larger installations such as floor-to-ceiling louvers and sliding timber shutters that will age and blend in with the environment over time. New Zealand lodges favour large furniture pieces crafted from solid wood such as oak, pine or native timbers that have a rustic and reclaimed feel. Seating choices include sofas, ottomans and armchairs, featuring rich leather upholstery or relaxed linen slipcovers. Other ideas include live edge wood countertops or tabletops, nested metal framed coffee tables, tree stump-like side tables, and rattan, wicker or woven leather side tables, benches, stools and chairs. Lastly, incorporate antique, handmade or vintage furniture pieces that have a timeless appeal. Ideas include wooden chests, trunks or vintage cabinets that add character. Texture and materials. As mentioned earlier, New Zealand-style lodges place emphasis on sourcing natural stone and woods. For contemporary yet lived-in appeal, incorporate lush materials of velvet, heavyweight linens, faux furs, chunky wool knits, and sheepskins in decorative cushions and throws. For visual interest, layer plaids, checks, and nature-inspired motifs in rich and earthy pigments. Artwork and mirrors. Adorn your walls with large-scale, nature-inspired artwork, such as landscape paintings, wildlife prints, botanical artwork, or abstract designs in earthy neutrals. Mirrors are rustic in style and frames are typically made from wood or metal. Consider arched, grid or oval vintage style designs. Accessories. New Zealand lodge style accessories include wooden and metal bowls and sculptures. Objects made from bone or horn, handcrafted ceramics and pottery, antler or pine cone candle holders, and leather boxes or trays with stirrups. For a touch of Kiwiana, incorporate playful and eclectic decorative accessories such as wooden kiwis, local handmade trinkets, and solid bronze husk display plates. Elevate the indoor or outdoor fireplace with a beautiful set of fire tools, such as those from the Eldvarm range. Living energy. Add greenery and pops of colour with native New Zealand plants and flowers such as silver ferns, hebe or flax. Other ideas include fiddle leaf figs, monstera, snake plants and ficus trees. Lastly, surround yourself with local naturalised or native plants, such as manuka, or lamandra, or golden tussocks. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these New Zealand lodge-style decorating tips into your home. Please like the video and subscribe, as it helps us reach more people passionate about styling. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.